Perfect.
Hello Broskis and welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where of course I bring you sneakers, lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. And on today's very special episode, I am reviewing the Nike Air Max 1 DNA Channel 1. So broskis, we have the forefather to the Air Max lineage. And of course, it's not an OG colorway. The reason this is a very special episode is because this is my first Air Max 1 in over a decade. I'm more of an Air Max 90 kind of guy. So when it comes to the Air Max 1, unless it is one of the OG colorways, I wasn't really interested. But I saw this colorway and I was like, take my money. Take it. And what helped, these were on sale on S&S, Sneakers and Stuff. So I picked this colorway up for £77. Now this white, black and purple punch colorway is a very unique colorway to the DNA Channel 1 pack. Just because Nike swapped the Air Max 1 and Huarache colorways around. So the Huarache's got the OG red and blue colorways of the Air Max 1. And the Air Max 1 got this purple punch and that scream green. So they're sort of paying homage to each other. Now, I'll be honest, that scream green colorway is more my cup of tea. But this purple punch colorway isn't too bad either. Now, having a look around this sneaker, this Air Max 1 is covered in leather overlays with that dual lacing hole system, which again pays homage to that Huarache sneaker. Of course, there is that mesh toe box, which is great because that means there are no creases. Now there are some rubber accents on this sneaker, which are the Nike swooshes on the lateral and medial side, and of course that heel counter. Now because of that mesh toe box, that means there are no creases on that panel, but I'm a bit skeptical to those leather overlays. With a bit of wear and tear and constant use, I'm not sure how well they will hold up when it comes to creasing. But of course broskis, time will tell. Now the leather overlays, it has that sort of off-white color. It's not a cream, but it's borderline there. You can definitely tell the difference in color compared to that mesh toe box and of course that white midsole. And last but not least is that all black waffle outsole. So broskis, this is pretty much an Air Max 1 with that Huarache DNA Channel 1 twist. Am I a fan of this sneaker compared to the OG Air Max 1? Yes, I am. Like I said, I steer more to that scream green colorway, but for £77, I am not complaining. Being the Air Max connoisseur that I am, I'm looking out for certain colorways of the Air Max 90s and Air Max 1s that you don't really see every day. So I am very happy to pick this colorway up. So when it comes to the sizing of this sneaker, for me, they are true to size. I would say though, if you do have wide feet, go at least half a size up. It is pretty much an Air Max 1 when it comes to that feel on foot. And for me, the Air Max 1 is one of the comfiest Air Maxes of all time. It's crazy to think that this was the Air Max that started it all, but over the years, it has never lost its touch. So overall, for comfort, I'm gonna give a 9. Of course, Air Maxes in general, it takes about a week or two of constant wear to feel that full comfortability. Now, when it comes to breathability, I'm so glad that this silhouette has got that mesh toe box. But what lets it down a little bit is those synthetic leathers on the overlays. It just adds that little bit of insulation that I don't think we needed. But overall, not too bad. Pretty wearable in all conditions. So out of 10, I'm gonna give a solid 9. So broskis, are these a buy or a buy? So the Air Max 1, as everybody knows, was the founding father to the Air Max family. And of course, that OG colorway, the red and blue, is undefeated in terms of that silhouette. But it is nice to have some variation and different colorways when it comes to this classic silhouette. And this is definitely one to add to your collection. It does do enough different to separate itself, and this unique colorway Purple Punch to the DNA Channel 1 pack will definitely be turning heads. And even though it does differentiate itself from other Air Maxes, it does have that classic Air Max 1 vibe. So overall, broskis, I'm gonna give these a buy. But broskis, let me know what you think down below. Are you a fan of the Air Max 1? Does this Purple Punch colorway do enough for you? Or do you prefer a total different Air Max in general? Leave your comments down below, and of course, I will be pinning the best one. And of course, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And of course, until the next episode, take care.